Now, gusto kong gumawa ng video sa limits na to kasi this is one of the challenging problems na na-encounter ko sa Feliciano and Uy na book. Now, itong function na to is magiging undefined kung gagamitan mo ng direct substitution. So, sulat natin. Sine cubed of 0 over sine 0 minus tan 0 will become 0 over 0. Kaya magiging undefined ito. So, paano natin makukuha yung negative 2? Kailangan natin tong gamitan ng trig identities. So, first, yung gagawin natin is copy natin to. Now, we can factor out isang sin x dito. Saka dito naman sa denominator, pwede natin tong gawing sin x over cos x. So, magiging ganito. Now, what can you notice? Itong sin x dito would be common. So, pwede natin tong i-factor out. So, dito, mag-factor out tayo ng isang sin x magiging sin x times sin squared x over yung denominator magiging sin x times 1 minus 1 over cos x. So, itong dalawa magka-cancel. So, ito na lang yung matitira. So, copy natin. Ito yung magiging result. Tapos, itong denominator, pwede natin kunin yung LCD ng 1 saka cos x. So, magiging sin squared x over, yung LCD is cos x. Now, cos x divided by 1, magiging cos x. And then times 1, cos x pa rin. And then cos x divided by cos x, magiging 1 times 1, magiging 1. So, ito, minus, kasi minus to. And then 1. Ito na yung denominator natin. So, we can get the reciprocal of this one and then i-multiply natin sa itaas. So, magiging sin squared x times the reciprocal of this one. So, cos x over cos x minus 1. And then, galing sa identities natin, pwede natin tong i-convert. So, sin squared x plus cos squared x equals 1. So, yung sin squared x magiging 1, then move natin to sa right, minus cos squared x. So, pwede na natin tong palitan. So, magiging 1 minus cos squared x times cos x over cos x minus 1. And then, notice na ito ay difference of 2 squares. So, pwede natin tong i-factor. Magiging square root ng 1, and then plus, square root na to is cos x. And then times, square root na to, 1 minus yung square root nito. So, cos x. And then times cos x over cos x minus 1. Now, itong nasa denominator, ito yung reason kung bakit undefined yung function natin. Kasi cos 0 is equal to 1. And then 1 minus 1 magiging 0. So, let's find a way para makancel to. So, yung gagawin natin is magpa-factor out tayo ng negative 1 dito. Para yung function na to, magiging equal dito. Kasi hindi kasi natin makakancel itong dalawa. Because different yung sign. Yung negative dito is nasa cos x. Yung negative dito nasa 1. So we can factor out negative 1 dito. So magiging, copy natin to, times cos x over, factor out tayo ng negative 1. So magiging negative 1 times negative cos x plus 1. Mag-change yung sign dito. Kasi negative yung nasa labas. So ito, it's the same form na dito. Because yung negative is nasa cos x, tapos yung 1 natin is positive. So magka-cancel to, itong dalawa. So yung final answer natin magiging 1 plus cos x times cos x divided by itong natira na negative 1. Now, pwede na natin i-apply yung direct substitution. So itong expression na to magiging 1 plus cos 0 times cos 0 divided by negative 1 equals, yung cos 0, that's equal to 1. So, magiging 1 plus 1 times 1 over negative 1, which is equal to negative 2. So, ito na yung answer natin.